Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is going to accompany the article and show you how to get started with Shopify in under 5 minutes. One of the best things about Shopify is it does offer any users a 14-day trial that's completely free and no risk whatsoever. Some other platforms will still require you to input payment details or credit card information. Shopify doesn't do that. So it's completely free for 14 days and you do have full access to all the features. Let me show you what that means in a few minutes. So how you're going to want to get started is just go to shopify.com here and you can see there are two spots that say get started. So you can click on any of those. Now all you'll need is a current active email address. Let me just put mine in here. There we go. You'll have to create a password. This is anything that you need it to be. Make sure it's secure. Follow the normal process for choosing a password, capitals, lowercase, and numbers. And then you're going to have to choose a store name. So it may take a few tries. As I was doing this last night, some of the store names I had chosen were taken, but it will prompt you if you need to choose a new one. So once I filled in those three spots, I'm just going to hit create your store. There we go. Sit tight. We are creating your store. Success. Your store is ready to go. Awesome. And that's actually exactly how easy it is. Now you're officially registered on Shopify. You'll next just need to answer a few questions here. So are you currently selling? Are you selling on a different system? Meaning, do you have an e-commerce store on another platform? You're not selling anything. You're a new business. You're selling retail, not online yet, or you're just here to try it out, which is completely okay as well. So in this case, I'm just going to choose that one because this is just a tutorial. Let us help you kickstart your business while you play around. Create a logo, brainstorm names, help me get started with free online webinar. Okay, so this is going to direct you to the resources that they have to help you build your store by yourself. So just for the spirit of a better tutorial, I'm going to go to I'm selling just not online. Okay, there we go. When would you like to launch your store? I'm learning and need more time. Perfect. How do you choose to sell? I sell in person only currently. Where do I sell? In brick and mortar retail stores. Okay, so that gives the system a little bit of background information on what the current point or current status of your business is. So let's say I have a small business now. We sell under $5,000 a year. Are you setting up for a client? No. So this would be for other developers or somebody that you might have hired to start your store and design it for you. In this case, we won't be checking that at this time. Okay. Next, location, what currency you're using, how to bill you, and how to pay you ultimately. That's the most important thing. So, okay, here is our admin dashboard. This is where you're going to control everything to do with your online store. I first want to direct your attention to everything on the left here. So you'll have home, which you have access to some analytics on the right here. You'll be able to customize your themes, choose a domain name, things like that. But I just want to concentrate on the left here for now. So first, orders tab. So this will just show anybody who's ordered product off of your store. Abandoned checkouts are perhaps people who have placed items in the cart and then left the store without purchasing. That can just give you some additional insight into perhaps maybe you can make some changes to increase your conversions. So that will track all your orders from there. Your products, of course, this is where you're going to add any images, descriptions, prices, collections, things like that. You can track your inventory, so when you need to order more or generate more product, things like that. You can have gift cards that are designed for people. They're personalized and designed for them to make purchases on your store. Customers, here we go. So understand your customer. You're going to be able to have a lot of good information that's naturally tracked in analytics here to give you a good idea of the demographic and location and the type of lifestyle that your customers live. So that would allow you to design, develop, and market your brand towards those customers. So next is analytics. This is a really powerful tool. It will automatically track this for you. There's your total sales, online store sessions, returning customer rates, online store conversion, average order value, total order. There's just tons of information here that is automatically generated, so you can really get a clear view of what your conversion rate, who's shopping, who's buying, how many people are actually visiting the store, and things like that. It helps a lot with your planning. Here's some reports, sales reports, acquisitions, customers, behavior. As you can see, it gives you a lot of tools to understand the psychology of these people and be able to market to that. Discounts, here's where you'll control your promotions and be able to lower the prices temporarily or permanently on your site. And finally, apps. I'm going to show you apps just after we go through themes quickly, because a lot of apps are free. You can download them and use them right now with your 14-day free trial. But I'm going to leave this for a second and just show you the next most important thing once you're familiar with this admin dashboard. I'm going to suggest that you go to the theme store, which is just themes.shopify.com.